Who?
Remember the guy that's making a brand out of our...
Stone Age?
No, another press. Customs. The one that he ordered the stickers.
Word?
Now he's doing his 4th of July batch, 13
Tell them
sheets.
about him.
Huh?
Tell them about him.
Oh, who?
Tell the people about him.
Oh, Press Customs. His company's name is Press Customs. And I remember, oh, hi. I can remember when the day that he called, what?
I don't think they can see it.
The day that he called,
Okay.
he was like, hey, I've heard about y'all guys, da, da, da. You guys seem awesome. And my husband was like, oh, good, and then remember he was saying he was trying to get his cousins to do it. He lived in Dallas. And then you're like, you know what, whenever you're ready to order, we're going to give you 10% off. Do you remember?
Oh, that was that guy?
That's that guy. And he ordered from us, loved it, shipped it off to Dallas, and he's been ordering ever since. And he's been killing it.
I'll see what there's a customer requesting a design with the glitter. Okay, keep going.
I talked to him the other day. He called, and he was like, we were having, something with his order, and he was like, I just want to thank you guys. He was the one that was like, I was able to get the contract because of the price being down.
Oh.
And he took advantage of those. He's ordered stickers where he offers the DTF services. What's up? Where he provides DTF service. He provides everything that we offer. So he's really taken advantage of all the services that we offer, all the equipment that we provide. So he is killing it. And every week we have several orders from him. Very nice young man. He's really doing what he has to do in his community. And his designs are great. Like he has, I think he was at an event for the Juneteenth. So he had a lot of stuff there. That's where he had his Juneteenth stickers. Now he's submitting 4th of July for his brand. So it's just really, really good to see and really inspirational to see that people are really taking advantage of what we wanted to provide for everyone. He's really taking advantage of that. So I'm just really excited.
Let's make a note so I can call him. Yeah, I definitely want to call that guy. And guys, listen, if you call and we don't answer.
Look, that's him right there.
Well, who is it?
That's the guy.
Oh, where?
Yeah. I'm just working on his order right now.
Oh, okay.
Should I call him right now?
Yeah, go ahead, give him a call.
Hold on, let me tell him.
You gotta get the business phone.
No, I know. I'm not calling him. Yeah, he sent me his number. I said, we're on live. My husband wants to call you. Is that okay?
Oh, yeah.
If we call you on live. Hey, how's it going? It's Shelly and Carl from Flash Custom Transfers.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good. I was just reminding my husband from previous when we first got a conversation with you and where your company and your brand has grown, which I've watched it grown over these few months. And I was just kind of, telling the people like, hey, we have a customer who's really taking advantage of the brand and the transfers, and he's really doing it. We saw you order some stickers for Juneteenth. So we just wanted to call, let you know we appreciate you. I was telling my husband,
Thank you.
you're welcome. When you originally called and he hooked you up with the discount, and it's been golden ever since then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've been, super excited about it. I've been going crazy about it on my Facebook and Instagram. And every time I run across somebody and ask me about my shirts, and I tell them, I say this won't fade, won't crack, won't peel. You can run over with your car, you can stretch it around, and you won't do nothing it's not that paper out of Walmart that I used to use. And, it's way better than what I used to do. And I'm just blessed that y'all are even out here helping people out the way y'all are, because it's definitely helped my brand a lot.
Thank you. We appreciate that. We have, like I said, we're on live right now. We have some people kind of asking, how are you doing it? Like, what's your process?
Hold on.
Hold on.
But yeah, hey, how you doing? Hey, before you answer that, no, when she told me, because I'm sitting there on my live and I'm talking about, I think we spoke that first time. We had a really good conversation. Then, like I said on live, her and I, we just kind of had our heads down, just kind of focused and trying to expand things. And then right now she's doing your order. She's like, hey, listen, that's that guy, that's that kid that you talked to that you hooked them up with the percentage or something. I'm like, call them right now. Let them know that we appreciate. So you are actually doing what we are suggesting. So if you don't mind, if you got like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, can you just explain how you're able to take these sheets and turn it into like a transfer business?
So basically, what I've been doing, I got my first person to buy a order of game sheets for the 2 group orders that she has. So basically, what I've been doing lately was doing exactly what you guys do. I prefer to only take SVG or PNG designs for that quality can already be there. And I basically I pretty much mimic what you guys do and just watch what you guys doing as far as if I need to vectorize anything, I let you know. I zoom it in to 300%, and the list goes on. And once the order is in, and I make the gang sheet, I send it to them, and they approve it, and I just go from there, and I shoot the design off, and it comes back. And like it's been a easier process than trying to find somebody to do it all for me when I just pretty much self-taught myself a lot of the stuff already. So. And I got family who's into the graphics area too, and they've been real helpful as far as the process of getting orders in and getting the people what they need and getting it to the top quality that they can get it and getting it pressed on the shirts and having it looking perfect for them.
Oh, so you guys are making the shirts as well? Yes, we have AI.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
So what I'm doing, I'm both making shirts and I'm selling the gang sheet all at once.
Wow. Good job. Yeah, Congratulations.
What's your social media so we can share it?
My Instagram is pressed_customs, PRESSED_CUSTOMS. It'll be my logo is the profile. You'll know it with the P is real, like has a big loop on the back of it. And my social media is Press Customs on Facebook.
Okay. Yeah, we'll have to do a dedicated video because we can say how we do it all day, but when somebody actually like yourself takes it and they really run with it, that's what's really gonna resonate with other people to be like, oh yeah, because right now we look like that we're just trying to sell. That's what we look like. We look like we're just trying to sell. So whenever somebody actually takes it, who's not an affiliate holder or anything like that, you just, like you said, you learned the software, you watched our content, and you just did exactly what we did just in your area. So we will definitely talk offline. I'm gonna talk to you personally offline because when you take and you do what you're doing, then things change. So in a positive way. So I will talk to you offline. I won't say anything online, but.
One more thing.
Oh yeah, please.
One more thing. I just recently started doing, I started doing it with the Juneteenth order that I just put in.
Oh, what the hell? I hung up. I'm so sorry. Let me come back. I don't know how to go. Makes sense. Oh.
There you go.
Sorry, I accidentally hung up.
Hello?
Sorry, I accidentally hung up.
Oh, it's all right.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, but like I was saying with the Juneteenth order that I just did, I actually took all those designs I ordered. I actually took them to a pop-up shop, and the money that I spent on transfers and shirts, I made all that money back plus profit, and I'm doing the same thing for 4th of July. So I'm actually seeing my money and my brand. People's coming out to see who I am, and it's really helping out. So yeah,
wow. That's what we wanted. That's the dream of Flash Custom Transfers, is to be wholesale for people like yourself, to take the transfers and create a business. That's we don't want to sell, to make a profit off of each transfer. That's not our goal. That's why we dropped the prices recently to $15.99, and we really thought it would explode. But it looks like that you did take advantage of that. And like I said, we will talk as soon as I'm off of this live, we will talk.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. So please keep your line open. I gotta finish packing these, and then I'm gonna ship these out. But I'm gonna call you as I'm probably headed to UPS. But I appreciate your time. Thank you for giving us this time so that you can share your story.
Oh, no problem. sure.
Yes, sir. I'll be calling you very soon.
All right, thanks.
No
All
problem.
right, thank you. Love it. I love to see the growth. And
That's
like I
crazy.
said, as the person on this side of the team, of this side of the process, I have been recognizing that his brand is growing. And, you know, from that conversation, I'm just like, wow. And there's a few others that I can see there's brand growing as well. This one, I was just working on his project right now, so it kind of stood out to me, and I had been meaning to talk to my husband about that. So it's just really refreshing to see that you guys are really taking advantage of, and you know, the vision that we have for Flash Custom Transfers. So it's very refreshing.